Here's why you're probably going broke trying to look expensive. You bought into a lie. And no, it's not about fashion. Hey boo, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another amazing episode, another amazing video of becoming your best self. Stay subscribed so that you don't miss out on juicy tips to essentially elevate you. As you can already see the title on your screen, today I'll be talking to you about what it means to be broke and branded. Here's why you're probably going broke trying to look expensive. You bought into a lie. And no, it's not about fashion. It's about this all broke and branded mentality. See, the thing is, everyone is out here flexing with designer bags, designer shoes, and clothes. But I bet half of them can't even afford the life they're trying to show off. And guess what? You're probably one of them too. You buy that branded bag, that branded belt, because everyone else has it. But in reality, you're robbing Peter to pay Paul. You're putting yourself in debt just to look like you got it all together, you got it all figured out. You're putting yourself in debt to live your life you can't afford. You think you're fooling people, but trust me, nobody's impressed when they know that you can't even make rent. When they know that you can't afford that lifestyle you're living, you're forcing on yourself. You see that jacket you've been eyeing, eh? That jacket you've been eyeing, that expensive jacket, that branded jacket you've been eyeing. It's not going to make you feel richer. It's just going to put you deeper in debt. It's just going to put you deeper in debt. Now, here's the crazy part. You see people online posing in the latest trends. Living their best lives, tagging brand names, and you feel the need to keep up. You look at your wardrobe and all you see is yesterday's stuff, nothing new. The pressure is real, I get it, but the truth, you don't need to look like them to feel valued. You're following this trend, borrowing money from friends, buying on credit. All for what? To feel important for a second, to feel like you're part of a club that doesn't even care about you. You're drowning in bills, chasing a look. So what's the point? To what end? You've got to ask yourself, when did your worth get tied to the price tag on your clothes? When? Because if you're going broke just to look expensive, then you have missed the point of what real luxury is. It's not about labels, no. Real luxury is living within your means, not having to flex all the time. It's about waking up, looking in the mirror, and feeling good about yourself, not about how expensive your outfit is. You can wear an outfit that isn't expensive and walk into a room full of people wearing designer everything and still own that room with your confidence, with your energy, and your presence. That's what people remember. That's what people notice, not your brand name. It's about the way you talk, how you carry yourself, how you speak, how you walk, how you just own it. Nobody remembers the logo on your outfit. It's the vibe that you bring, they remember. And let me tell you, confidence doesn't come with a price tag. It's the real deal, and that's what you need to stand out. So here's the deal. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck just to keep up with trends, it's time to change the game. And no, you don't have to sacrifice or throw away your desire to look good. You just need to stop living for other people's standards. Now, let me tell you why this is important. Every time you spend money you don't have, to impress people who won't notice or who don't even care about you, you're sacrificing your peace of mind. Think about it. What's the point of buying an expensive outfit or buying an expensive branded bag when you are still going to be lying awake at night or whatever time of the day wondering how you're going to pay for it? Now, the problem isn't about looking good. The problem is when your worth is tied to how trendy or how expensive you appear. Fashion doesn't need to cost your freedom. You don't need to be high maintenance to look put together. You can be low maintenance and still slay without putting yourself in debt. Now, the secret, wear what suits you. Wear what makes you feel empowered, comfortable, and confident. Own your style, own your look. That's where the real power is. When you stop caring about impressing others, when you stop caring about what others think, you start living freely. Listen, I'm going to say this one more time. Broke and branded isn't a flex, it's a trap. You can't buy your way into happiness. You can't buy yourself into respect. You earn it by being yourself. So before you swipe that card for the next must-have trend, ask yourself, is this really worth it? Or am I just trying to impress people who won't even notice when I'm gone? Ask yourself, be honest with yourself. Save your money. Wear what fits your style and not your credit card debt. Real luxury, it's freedom. Freedom to be you without being broke and branded. Enough of this broke and branded lifestyle. Keep it real. Stop trying to impress people who don't even care, who won't even notice, and start focusing on building a life that's true to you. Being broke and branded will only keep you in a circle of debt and insecurity. But being real, being authentic, will actually enable you to grow, to thrive, and actually make it. Authenticity will take you further than any designer labels ever will. And that's all there is to this. In short, live real and authentic. Live your best life. Live for you and not for others. Right. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Share your thoughts in the comment section. I'd love to read from you. So take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.